If you want to restore your computer to an earlier point in time using System Restore, you can follow these steps. 1. Open the Start menu and type System Restore in the search bar. Click on the Create a Restore Point or System Restore option that appears in the search results. 2. In the System Properties window, click on the System Protection tab and then click on the System Restore button. 3. In the System Restore window, select the Choose a Different Restore Point option and click Next. 4. Select a restore point from the list of available restore points. You can also click the Scan for Affected Programs button to see which programs will be affected by the restore process. 5. Click Next and then Finish to confirm the restore point and start the restore process. 6. Your computer will restart and begin the restore process. This may take several minutes to complete. 7. After the restore process is complete, your computer will restart again. Check to see if the issue you were experiencing before has been resolved. Note, System Restore will not affect your personal files, but it may remove recently installed programs or updates. If you are unsure about which restore point to choose, it's best to create a new restore point before starting the restore process, so you can easily undo any changes made by the restore.
Thank you for tuning in to Always Tech Buddy. We hope this video has been helpful in resolving your technical issue. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the like button and hit the notification icon so that you will never miss an update from us. Until next time, keep on teching.